Hello and welcome to the series of onboarding videos for TPbenchmark, which is the online benchmarking software solution provided by TextModel. We are starting with the first step out of the in total 9 steps that the tool contains regarding the data import. The step itself is pretty self-explanatory. There's a browse button in which you can upload your raw data for the benchmarking process. You press the upload button and there will be a loading screen. As I mentioned, the data is for benchmarking purposes, meaning it contains the company names, their websites, their trade descriptions to determine comparability with the tested party, as well as other financial data like turnover, costs, and EBIT levels to calculate the interquartile range. As I mentioned, the upload file is an Excel format, which is the standard, and this is also exported from your preferred database, usually Bureau van Dijk. After the upload, there will be a summary overview, meaning that the upload was successful of all the companies of the benchmarking set, meaning that you are ready to go to the step 2 and press on the next button.